tutorial on how I mastered the heatless curl and how I get them to actually stay in for most of the day. I'm about to take a shower, but I'm gonna put the heatless curls in first. And this is like day 3 hair. So you're gonna start off by just taking a section like this at the front of your hair and twisting it around just like that. And this is where it's gonna get a little different, but I take a section from the back, like toward the back of my hair, and do the same thing, and I just twist it around like that. You're just gonna go in kind of like a French braid. You're gonna grab some hair toward the front and add it to this piece and twist it, and I just make sure it's pretty tight. And then same thing with these back sections. I'm just gonna take a back section and add it to the other strand and wrap it around like this. Okay, so now that you have all of the hair, you're just going to keep twisting each strand around. So it's kind of like a crisscross. And secure with the scrunchie. And same thing to the other side. Okay, so now I'm just gonna shower with this in. I'm only gonna get it slightly wet and then sleep on it. I usually just get my hands wet and like run it through. So I'll be back in the morning. Good morning. Time to take it out. Now it's done. Now we separate and finger brush. You can also brush with a brush, but I usually don't do that. And then I put water in any little creases like this. Okay.